hey, we want to segment out the dress tool like this, right? So what we really want to do is only get the front of the garment, which means we uh, don't want to get the collar region, right? The back of the collar region, right? So you would put a point here, 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 here. And see how we didn't do this, right? We went under this and we're not including this region over here. And then you kind of just segment out the rest of the dress. So you want to kind of take your time and be, uh, um, I made a mistake here, right? That one's kind of going outside. So I kind of go here and I just keep doing this. So I'm just doing this a little quick because for the video, so you guys watch it. But you want to be really painstaking, kind of painstaking detail, if that makes sense. And then I connect to first point and then I hit save. I'm done.